Okay, this is the next module, module 3, where I'll explain basics on the WordPress dashboard itself. So when you come to WordPress, you see here it's actually telling me not secure, and you don't have to really bother much. You are on local, but it gave the SSL, but what it's saying is that, of course, the SSL seems as if not to be trusted. It's local, so it's understandable. No need to stress yourself too much. You only have a concern when it's online and it is showing this. Okay, let's move on. Right now, you see welcome to WordPress, and you have several options. And post, that's the first option. You have the dashboard, which you are in already, and you have post. Post, it's where you make posts. You, like when you go to a website, you have a blog section, you see different articles, those are called posts. So this is where you create several posts to engage your audience. So if you want to start blogging, you can do that. So for example, this is a sample website, and this is a post, the title, the description, and the date. So if I tap on whether the title or the description, what it does is it opens the post in full for me to go through. So this is a post, this is the comment, and I know we are used to that, post and comment, you understand? So this is what it is. And media, this is where all your files are stored. So if you are using an image on a blog post or on your website, they are stored here. And you have pages. Pages are different from post. Post is more like your article. Pages are for designing different areas. For example, when you go to a website, you have homepage, you have about us, you have services, you have contact us. Those are pages, and you create them here. Comments are basically for your blog or your posts that people comment on. So whenever somebody types here, oh, left a comment and the rest, it's going to appear on the comment area. Then appearance has to do with themes. Now themes has to do with how your website appears. There are several themes in WordPress, but the beautiful thing is that you can choose. And why they are different, someone may ask, well, I thought they are themes, but why are there several? It's simple. It's more like, when you need a penthouse, when you need a studio apartment or a flat, the structure is different. But now, if I decide to rent a studio flat, I can give it my own painting, you understand? Give it my own structure, kind of lighting and everything. You can do that, but you cannot actually move the position of the bedroom, the position of the living room, because it is where it is. The structure is there, but you could give it a new look and feel the color, how you furnish the house. So that's how themes are. So you could have themes like you have like 5 studio flats. The 5 studio flats has different structures, how the room are, where the rooms are located, where the bathroom and the living rooms, they are different. So that's what themes are. We have different themes because they suit different individuals. But one thing they all have in common, you can change the color, like the color of the house. You can change some kind of things, but you are limited to the structuring of that. So that's why we have several themes, which as we proceed in later lessons or in later courses I will be creating, I'll show you some kind of premium themes and how they work here. Then we have plugins. Plugins, like, it's more like adding functionalities to the website. So in a house, a plugin could be your TV, you understand, could be your refrigerator. So you need a refrigerator to store your food, that's a plugin. You need a TV to watch some documentaries, that's a plugin. Or you need a sitting chair outside of your balcony, that's a plugin. So plugin adds functions. So without plugins, yes, you can have a beautiful website, but to make it more relaxing, to give it better user experiences, or to do more things, you just need plugins. So that's what plugins are. Then you have users. Users are where your users are stored. So in WordPress, we have several user levels. We have administrator, editor, author, subscriber. And now for administrator, is the one who controls the whole site. So by default, when setting up an account, administrator is the default. When you want someone to just have access to your posts, maybe create a new post, edit a new post, delete a post, then editor. But if you want someone to just write a post, don't have access to controlling other posts, editing posts, deleting posts, you can just give them author. That's it. And subscriber, it's the lowest user level in WordPress. That's especially it's for someone who perhaps just want to subscribe to your website to perhaps to be able to save posts. Those are high functions, but nonetheless, subscriber is just there as a low level because when it comes to WordPress, subscriber can actually work in many areas. For example, if you are building a membership website, subscriber is what works best for that. So I'm not going to bug you too much, but I just want to explain that. So you have tools are really used, and you have settings. Settings has to do with basically your site title, your site tagline, and some other settings. So you see here we have site title, learn with great, we have tagline. So it's good to always give a tagline. Let's say you are designer, consultant, entrepreneur, and learn with great. So when someone searches your website on Google, they see the site title and the tagline. That's what they see. You understand? So here you can also set up some other things. It's possible not to allow people to register. For me, I do not want to allow anyone to register because it's not a membership site or it's not a blog where I allow subscribers to create a new account. So I just have to turn it off. You understand? So like I said, there are times you need this, especially if you are setting up an online store or a membership website. Then you have time to set up your time zones and every other thing. So time zone depends on your time zone. For me, I am in West Africa, so I can set UTC+1. And Sunday, the week starts on Sunday. You understand? Even though they say Monday, Sunday is the first day of the week. That I agree to, not Monday. But anyways, this is it. We are going to start focusing on appearance because I want to show you how to quickly set up a website. That's my plan. So let's move over to the next module where I teach you how to set up a beautiful website in no time. Yes, in no time.